we have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito eh. Especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed the SecVins and SecPing to look at the situation here. Because, you know, of course, we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms. But the problem, the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun karami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. And that's why it became critical. We don't change. Whatever kung sinong, it's not only here. Kung sino ang nangangailangan ng tulong, the national government is here to help. So as you know, I came from local government. Kaya I have great sympathy for the situations of local government, the different constituencies, the cities, the provinces, the towns, the municipalities. Kaya whoever comes to us for help, we will do what we can to help. There is not an increase, there is not a decrease, it's not political, it's only because it depends on the need. And that's why we are here today. All right? Thank you.